Well, stick around for another half a second and you guys are about to be hyped because I just had a great idea. This is what we're gonna do for the sake of the video. You guys are here to watch the video, might as well give a little back to you guys. What's going on, everybody? I'm Chrissy Whispers, and tonight we're doing a video on how to make money buying and selling collections. If you're new to the hobby and you're trying to figure out ways to build your collection, build capital, or just get some cards, just whatever. If you want to just buy, sell cards, make some money, build your collection, this is a video on how to do it. I'm going to show you guys the collection I bought. I'm going to tell you guys how much I spent on it. And at the end, I'm going to give you guys a couple of tips and tricks on how to get deals like this on your own. So stick till the end. I'll see you guys in a second. We're going to flip the camera around. We're going to check this collection out. All right, guys, this is the collection. Let's open it right up and let's stop playing games. Wow, there it is. There's the first page. So I told you guys I would give you guys some tips. Might as well tell you guys right off the bat how much I paid for this collection. First, let's look at this first page. We got the 3 cards from the UPC. You got Celebrations Charizard, a couple of Charizard promos here. What do we got? Oh yeah. So I found this collection. This was the front picture, which how could you not want to look into a collection with this as the front picture? And it was a starting bid of $750. Look at the promos. Oh man, these are from the Vaporeon Premium Collections, the Jolteon Premium Collections. That's a nice Snorlax right there. Can you guys see that? Oh yeah. Oh, that's nice. So I saw this starting bid was $650. He was also accepting offers. And the first tip for the video is gonna be, don't be afraid to throw a lowball offer out there and just see if they're gonna bite. You never know what type of situation the person that's selling the collection is in. Sometimes they might just need the money. They might think it's a good deal. They might just take you up on it and make yourself a nice little flip like this. I offered this guy $720. Now, if you don't sell on eBay, you can turn your offers on. Oh, what the hell is this over here? Oh, look at that. Subscribe now. Don't be afraid to throw offers out there. I offered this guy a $720 offer, and he had his offers set so that it was automatically declined. So I figured 720 is not enough. I threw a bid on it for $650, and I increased my max bid to $720. Well, you wouldn't believe this shit. I was the only bidder. $650. I won this. I'm gonna do another video probably next week following this video, and I'm gonna price this out and show you guys what this binder is actually worth. But I mean, this is how you make money, guys. Lowball bids, win it. Oh, look at this. This has got 2. Whoa. Dene, double the Dene in there. Hold on, I wonder if there are any. We're gonna have to go back and take a look, see if there are any other doubles like that. A lot of Trainer Gallery cards, and I think at the end, I thought this was funny. I didn't even realize these were in here. Some jumbo cards. This is the collection, guys. $707 after tax. I'll show you guys, actually I'll put it right here, show you guys the actual sale. Show you guys some receipts. I'm not full of shit. What are we at? 66 subscribers right now? At 100 subscribers, I think we're gonna give this Pikachu V-Union away. How's that sound? Throw of that right now. Giving that away right there. 100 subscribers, guys. Tell your friends. I'm gonna give away the Pikachu V-Union. So now my second tip is gonna be, I'm gonna flip the camera around actually. All right, guys, so I said I was gonna give you guys a couple of tips on how to buy and find collections like this on your own. Now, I bought this collection on eBay. I showed you guys what I paid for it, just so you guys don't think I'm completely full of shit. And I started mentioning it before, but my first tip to getting a collection like this is to throw lowball offers out there. You never know. I didn't get this on a lowball offer, but it's just a good tip to know and to have. You never know what situation the seller is in. They might just need the money now. They might just take your offer because they want to get rid of it. They've been sitting on it for so long. You never know what kind of deal you can get. You have to throw offers out there. That's the first tip. The second tip is going to be look at higher end auctions or higher end collections, $500, $600, $700, $1,100, $1,200. You're gonna price people out of those collections just because most people don't have that kind of money to spend on a collection to flip. especially if it's a side hustle or a hobby. Most people don't have that kind of money. If I set my max bid on this collection to $750 because I was willing to go that high, I could still turn a profit selling this if I had won it at $750. Nobody bid on it. I won it for $650 just because I said, fuck it, I threw a bid on it. You never know what's gonna happen, guys. So look at higher priced collections, just because you're gonna beat a lot of people out of it just because they're not willing to spend that kind of money. So those are my 2 tips for trying to buy and sell collections. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget, 100 subscribers, we're gonna give away that Pikachu V-Union that I found that I wasn't prepared for. I thought there was only gonna be 1 copy in there, but there's 2 copies in there. So I'm gonna give 1 copy to one of you guys, and that's all I got to say. Thanks for stopping by. Leave a like, leave a comment, consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for stopping by, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.